In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer email from one Google Workspace account to another 5 minutes. Before we start, make sure you're signed in as a Google Workspace administrator and that both the source and destination accounts already exist in the same organization. You'll also want to let both users know a transfer is about to happen and avoid deleting or suspending the source account until everything finishes. First, open the Google Admin console by going to admin.google.com and sign in with your admin credentials. From the home page, head into Apps. Next, choose Google Workspace, then select Drive and Docs. This is where you control file ownership across your organization. In the Drive and Docs settings, find and open Transfer Ownership. This tool is designed to move files owned by one user to another user inside your domain. You'll see two fields, one for the current owner and one for the new owner. In the first field, enter the email address of the user you're transferring from. In the second field, enter the email address of the user who should become the new owner. Double check both addresses carefully. Ownership transfers can be broad and may include a lot of content. When you're confident everything looks right, click Transfer Files to begin. A few notes on what happens next. Google will reassign ownership of the source user's My Drive files to the destination user. The new owner will typically see a folder in Drive that contains the transferred content, preserving the original structure as much as possible. Depending on volume, the transfer can take a little while. You can let it run in the background. Both users may receive notifications about the change. It's important to understand scope and limitations. This process moves Drive file ownership. It does not migrate Gmail messages, contacts, or calendar data. If you also need to relocate email, plan a separate email migration using Google's supported tools after this step. For Drive, shared file links generally continue to work, but some shortcuts or sharing relationships might need a quick review. If the destination user is near storage limits, consider adjusting storage or cleaning up before starting to prevent issues. After the transfer completes, sign in as the destination user and spot check a few folders to confirm the files are present and accessible. If you notice missing items, verify that both accounts are active, licensed, and in the same domain, then retry the transfer. That's it. With just a few clicks in the admin console, you've reassigned ownership and set the destination account up to take over the source user's Drive content.